Merry Christmas, bro.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Have a Merry Christmas.
'Tis the season to give away some money. All right, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna find people, offer them some cash, or the option to double it up for the next guy down the line. Let's see what happens. I got $5 for you.
Yeah.
Or you can pass it along to the next guy for 10.
I'll pass it along.
Let's pass it on.
$60 for you, or 120 for the next guy.
I'll take it. $60, I mean.
Yeah! I give you $10 now,
Okay.
or you can pass it along to the next guy and they get 20.
Pass it.
You want this $20, or I give 40 to the next person?
I'll take it.
Yeah! Oh, the weather outside is frightful, and gas fireplaces are so delightful. You can keep that,
Okay.
or we can give 20 to the next guy. Do you need lunch?
20 for the next guy.
I'm gonna give it to somebody else.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, pass it on 40?
$80.
Double it.
You want me to double it?
Oh yeah.
This should be $160.
You can double it, man.
Double it!
Oh man.
That's a lot to give up. So here you go.
I appreciate it.
Look at
Thank
that. Merry Christmas. 320.
Oh my gosh.
That's yours.
What?
Double it or keep it and go get some nice things. Merry
Oh my
Christmas.
gosh, Merry Christmas.
Just pass it along. Merry Christmas.
Oh my gosh, thank you.
That's amazing. It's so fun.
Here's $10. You can keep that $10 or pass on it and we're gonna give $20 to somebody else. What do you
I'll
wanna
pass. I'll give it to somebody else.
do? Yeah?
Two options. You can keep it or double it for the next guy.
I'll double it.
I'm gonna keep mine because I don't get paid for another week.
Not a girl.
Double it for the next guy, man.
Double it for the next guy.
Tis the season, this guy.
All right.
I'll do $80 for the next guy.
$80 for the next guy.
Whoa.
$80.
Really?
Or the second option is you can pass that forward to the next person for $160.
I'll take it, honestly. Thank
Good.
you.
People got bills. That's it, folks. One of the highlights of the year, and as always, Merry Christmas from Big Dog.
I think we need a holiday heel click.